afternoon, and welcome to the Humidor Report. Justin here from Beaumont's very own Cigar Club. It has been a while, but we're happy to be back with you, and we're letting you know what we've got going on here because the next Drew Estates Freestyle Live event is coming up next week. That's going to be Tuesday the 26th, I believe it is, but a week from yesterday, next Tuesday is when this is going to happen, and that's when they're going to reveal what we have sitting here in front of us. Now, if you've been around for the Drew Freestyle Live events and kits in the past, this is how they launch new cigars. Is they'll have some swag package, and with that swag, you will get 3 samples, usually, of the new product. So this one, it's got its test bands on it. It says FSL August 2025, and that is, again, for the Freestyle Live. So even these have a little bit of collectability to them. You have some pre-release test banded things, so even if you don't smoke them all, you can scroll them away and wave them in front of your friends years later and say, look what I have that you don't. But they will be revealing what this is. Now, what we do know about it is a Connecticut shade wrapper. It is a premium cigar in that it is not going to be acid, it is not going to be dead wood or anything along those lines. But that is really about all that we've got. Now, we've been kicking around our theories as to what we think it might be, and our collective opinion here is that we're going to put our proverbial coin on maybe a new Nica Rustica. I think a Nica Rustica Connecticut would be an incredibly good move for them right now. There's not a Connecticut in the Nica portfolio. People are really looking hard for those bargain price sticks these days. So that's my thoughts. That's our thoughts. All of us here kind of think that's the way it's going to go, but we will see for sure next week. But if you want to smoke this cigar before the announcement or have one to smoke during the announcement, we have them here and ready to go. Now, these are limited. When they're done, they're done. And this time, the swag, a new direction this time, is we've gone for this big 40-ounce tumbler, Stanley style, but Freestyle Live, DE for life is what we've got on that guy there. So that is the Freestyle Live kits. They are here. They are going. Come and get yours before you can. And remember to tune in on Facebook, on YouTube, on all the socials next Tuesday. I believe it starts at 6 p.m. Central, but you can search Drew Estate Freestyle Live, and you can watch the whole thing as it unfolds live online. But make sure you've come and got something to smoke before that time comes. It's going to wrap us up for this edition of the Humidor Report. Thanks for being patient and sticking with us, folks. We're hoping to be getting back some more content here pretty soon. We know it has been a while, and we do apologize, but thank you for sticking it out, hanging out, and checking out this latest and greatest from Beaumont Cigar Club here on the Humidor Report. That'll wrap us up for this week, and until next week, I'm Justin. We'll see you at the club.